I try to learn and grab good qualities from every human around me. हमारे शो में कोई एक दिन का रोल करने भी आता है तो I don't look down upon them because they are also actors, they are also performers. तो अगर मुझे उनसे भी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, I look up to them also. As I said, the viewers, the audiences of my show have given me a name which is called Villanero, which means villain hero. So a lot of them see me as a villain, a lot of them see me as a hero, and a lot of them see me as a villain hero. So unlike other actors, I have managed not to get typecast as of now. I don't know, I just feel I'm blessed कि मैं typecast नहीं हुआ. कभी कभी बुरे दिन आ जाते हैं, खराब दिन आ जाते हैं when things don't work out. जरूरी नहीं है कि 365 days में से सारे 365 days अच्छे ही होंगे and you will always have success in life. ऐसा नहीं है. The most successful people in the world also face failures. They also have their own shares of lows and downfalls.
Welcome to eTimes TV, Sanjay. How are you doing?
Thank you. I'm doing great. How about you?
Good. So, how's Kundali Bhagya been all this while? Like, what are the tracks you're shooting for, and how has it treated you?
So, Balaji is home and have re-entered the show last month. It's been 1.5 months now. Feels great to be back on the top show of Indian television, and the show is treating me well. It has been always very welcoming for me. It has been a magical journey for me because as we all know that my role was supposed to be a cameo for 3 months, and now it's been more than 3.5 years since I have been on the show. And whatever I am today, I am because of the show. So it has been a very overwhelming and a magical journey for me, and it is treating me like never before.
Sanjay, your character Prithvi is loved so much. There are times, and we have seen that in the television, villains are often, even जो audience होती है उनको भी गुस्सा आता है उनके character से. But आपका character ऐसा है कि गुस्सा आता ही नहीं है. Like, it's a lovable antagonist, So, and you have this, और ये Casanova type attitude है character का, जहाँ पे all the girls are drooling over him and he's enjoying all the attention. So, how do you feel about all this love that's coming your way?
Well, till date, I'm also not just surprised but shocked to receive the audience's reaction, because when I got to know that I'm going to be the protagonist of the show, I was ready for all the hate, all the abuses, and all that a villain should receive from the audiences and the viewers. But surprisingly, it was the other way around. Slowly and gradually, Prithvi Malhotra has been, one of the most lovable villain. And I think this is the first time in the history of not just the television medium, but any medium of our country where a villain is loved by the audiences. So I think I have been able to achieve that feat which no other actor has. Recently, I was also listed in the top 10 iconic villains by ETV Times.
That was done by...
Right. Thank you so much. I was so happy. I was jumping in joy because...
you truly deserve that.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It was very overwhelming because apart from me, all the other 9 actors were so experienced, so senior to what I am. So being listed amongst those actors was a big achievement for me. I still feel I have a very, very long way to go. Now, coming back to Prithvi Malhotra, yes, you can call him an iconic villain because, he is called a villain hero by the audiences. So he's like you said that he enjoys all the attention of the girls
Correct.
drooling over him. So in the same house, there is a girl who is his girlfriend, there is a girl who is his love interest, there is a girl who is his wife, and previously he also had an ex-girlfriend. So I think he is just unpredictable. He is a super villain. He is something that he's someone who one cannot understand. He's totally unpredictable. He is totally different from what we have seen previously in films and television. So I think the entire credit goes to the producer, Ekta ma'am, the creative director, the creative team, the writer of the show for shaping up Prithvi Malhotra like no other villain was ever shaped up. So I think the entire credit goes to them, and the credit goes to the viewers also for accepting him. And because without the acceptance of the audiences, nothing is possible.
Nothing is possible.
So I think I'm just blessed with the best team of Balaji Telefilms and the best viewers.
Okay, now, like I said, you have girls all over your character in the show. Doesn't your real life girl, Poonam, she feels insecure, or does she ever complain about this to you ever?
She feels very proud.
Yeah.
She feels very lucky. In real life also, when at times when she finds out a particular girl or a gang of girls checking me out, she feels very proud that this is the guy you guys are checking out, but he's mine, he belongs to me. So she's never insecure, and she just feels happy and proud whenever such instances happen.
When do you plan on marrying?
I think I will be able to answer you this in a couple of months.
Okay,
but very soon.
Very soon. That's good to hear. How did you fall in love with each other? Can you tell us about
that? Sure. It was a very filmy story. It is a social media love story. We both connect. For the first time, we connected to each other on Facebook, and we started chatting, speaking on the call. And after a month, I asked her to come to Mumbai because I found her very photogenic, and I felt she should try her luck here in Mumbai because the entertainment industry is here in Mumbai.
Right.
To do print modeling in Delhi. So I asked her to come down here, and she was, very kind enough to come and see me, and that's how our love story began. We stayed for a week. We spent time with each other for a week. That's when we both realized that, we were meant for each other. When she was flying back to Delhi after a week, that's when I proposed to her at the airport in front of hundreds of people. And she promised me that she will be back to Mumbai, not for a week or a month, but forever. And that's what she did after a month. She moved to Mumbai with me, and we have been in a live-in relationship since then.
Actors often tend to get stereotyped, and then they're offered similar kind of roles. So now that you are playing an antagonist character, do you fear कि वो protagonist वाला role पता नहीं मिले या नहीं मिले बाद में, क्योंकि वो एक छवि break करने के लिए भी time लगता है जो आप play करते हो on screen.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
हाँ.
बिल्कुल नहीं. As I said, the viewers, the audiences of my show have given me a name which is called Villanero, which means villain hero. So a lot of them see me as a villain, a lot of them see me as a hero, and a lot of them see me as a villain hero. So unlike other actors, I have managed not to get typecast as of now. I don't know, I just feel I'm blessed कि मैं typecast नहीं हुआ, and मुझे किसी भी छवि को break करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because you know, as I said, the entire credit goes to the team of Balaji Telefilms, the writers, the creators, because they have presented and portrayed me in such a manner that only my activities are evil. But when you look at Prithvi Malhotra, he doesn't look like a villain. So his look is contradicting his activities. So the audiences and the other producers are very intelligent. They know that you know, he doesn't look like a villain, but his activities, his performance is that of a villain. So they have been able to, you know, differentiate the fact that he is an actor who doesn't look like a villain but is just playing the role of a villain. So they know that they can cast me in a hero in their projects in the future. So trust me when I say this, honestly, I have no fear of getting typecast, because you know, I believe that you know, all these producers in the television medium, in the OTT medium, and in films, they are very broad visioned, and when Balaji Telefilms could cast an actor who doesn't like a villain in a villain's role, I think the producers would also cast an actor who has played a villain in a hero's role.
Sanjay, you've also done Rakta Beej and Heroine. You played a role in those two films. So, do you still look forward to going there, trying your hands back at films again?
Honestly, I was experimenting at that time. I was very new, so I took up those films, and it was a very good learning experience for me. But later on, when you know, I realized that I should be very choosy in terms of selecting content and projects, that's when I stopped focusing on the quantity, and I started focusing only on quality. So obviously, I would want to do something good on the OTT platform. I want to do good films also, but I will do it only when the content is strong enough and my role is very impactful, so impactful that it could have the scope of winning the audience's hearts and create an impact in their minds.
Our journey in the glamour industry is never a smooth ride. Everybody has their own share of ups and downs. And so आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you know, rejection face करना हुआ है, rejection face किया है, या फिर almost confirmed role हो चुका है, and then you are said कि you know, somebody else has been, you have been replaced. कभी ऐसा कुछ हुआ है आपके साथ?
I think हर एक्टर के साथ होता है, हर एक्टर के साथ आज भी हो रहा है. even after being listed in the iconic villain of the television medium, फिर भी होता है. I think it's a part and parcel of an actor's life. मुझे लगता है जब मैं फिल्म्स करूँगा तभी भी ये होगा, because there are a lot of factors. पर हाँ, I think if people are watching this, I just want to tell them, if they're actors or any medium, please take failures in your stride. If you face rejections, that doesn't mean that you're not capable. It just means that the time is not right. If the time is not right today, at the moment, the time will be better tomorrow or day after tomorrow. As they say, अपना time आएगा, तो आपका time भी आएगा, जरूर आएगा. अगर time अच्छा चल रहा हो, and कभी-कभी you know, बुरे दिन आ जाते हैं, खराब दिन आ जाते हैं, when things don't work out. जरूरी नहीं है कि 365 days में से you know, सारे 365 days अच्छे ही होंगे, and you will always you know, have success in life. ऐसा नहीं है. The most successful people in the world also face failures. They also have their own shares of lows and downfalls. But what matters is how you get up and get back with a bang. So yes, आज भी face करता हूँ, but I take it in my stride and I try to get back with a bang.
बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ है ये कि take failure in your stride and just bounce better.
Yes, you see, even for example, because I know everyone watches cricket. Iconic players like Sachin Tendulkar, Dhoni, Virat Kohli, उनकी भी हर इनिंग अच्छी नहीं होती है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
वो 3 मैच अच्छे खेलते हैं, उसके बाद एक मैच ऐसा होता है जब वो बिलो 10 और कभी-कभी डक पे भी आउट हो जाते हैं. But they don't give up. They don't give up. They practice, they work hard, they polish their skills, they polish their craft, and they get back with a bang. This is how, this is the quality of successful people.
Sanjay, do you look up to? Is there any actor who you look up to?
I look up to not just actors, but every human being that I come across. I try to learn and grab good qualities from every human around me. हमारे शो में कोई एक दिन का रोल करने भी आता है तो I don't look down upon them because they are also actors, they are also performers. तो अगर मुझे उनसे भी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, I look up to them also. कि अरे ये चीज़ ने बहुत सीखी, शायद ये मैं नहीं कर सकता, but मुझे सीखने को मिली. So I'm a learner for life, and because I'm an actor, I'm an observer. So I always look around for positive things around me. I always look up to learning something new from every person that I come across, not just from actors, but every human being.
And with this increase in the COVID-19 cases, how are you all, taking care of everything on the set? And रोज आना काम करना इतने लोगों के साथ में आसान नहीं है, especially when you know कि cases फिर से बढ़ रहे हैं. तो how do you prepare yourself mentally?
So yes, I have learned that COVID cases are rising. I'm sitting right below the COVID guidelines.
Yes.
Yes. So our studio has been taking all kinds of precautions, and I have removed my mask because I'm right outside my room and I have to speak to you right now.
Yes.
But as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to wear my mask, sanitize my hands. So yes, it is a little difficult to assure 100% safety when you're working among 70-80 people every day. But we try our best by following all the guidelines of the government and ensuring safety on the sets and in the studio.
Okay, Sanjay, thank you so much for talking to us, and all the very best. May you get everything that you want.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. You guys have always been very encouraging, and I just want to thank you for having me here. And thank you once again for listing me in the top 10 iconic villains. That's really very encouraging. It's very encouraging. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. See you soon. Bye.
See you. Bye. Bye.